again. Welcome back again. This is by far the most favorite spot on Folly Beach. It's Burt's. Burt's is this little convenience store that stays open 24/7. It's a beautiful place. You get anything you want anytime. It's awesome. Burt's 24/7 on Folly Beach, South Carolina. Oh my goodness, it's great. I love it. So right now we're on 2nd Street. I'm not sure which block it is, but we're gonna go back onto the ocean and run down the ocean line to the tides where I'm staying. So welcome to Folly Beach again, South Carolina. I'm gonna have to jump off this thing and push it through the sand in a second. Thank you, man. Appreciate you, man. How you having? You having a good day?
Having a fantastic day. How about yourself?
Pretty good, pretty good. So, man. So I'm out here in Folly Beach, South Carolina. Just enjoying my little day. Getting ready to run back down to the tides. You can see it down there at the right side. Tide's a little high. So I'm gonna see if I can get away with riding down the tides without getting pulled over by a lifeguard or something. We'll see what we're gonna do here. It's a little mushy. I'll take it easy. No speed riding or anything. Just having a little bit of fun. Oh, look at that. It's awesome. Folly Beach, South Carolina. No. So people want to try it, they like it, they see it. Getting a lot of coverage for an electric unicycle coming up on the hotel under the pier here. It is under construction right now, so welcome to South Carolina again, Folly Beach, South Carolina. Yeah, Folly Beach, South Carolina with all the people. It's a fun little beach. I love this place. I grew up on it since I was a baby. Look at this stuff. Woo-hoo. Love the beach. Awesome. All right, we're gonna cut off here. I got lucky, nobody bothered me from Burt's. I'm gonna cut out right here. Get on out of here. It's gonna be a full loop. It'll be a nice little video if I can hook them together. I might just do a part 1, part 2. I don't have the video editing software that I need to edit them together. On your left, buddy. Are you good? How you doing today?
Rough.
Rough? Ah, I hear you. So this is the Tides parking lot. It's all closed off. Let's jump this little block here. Oh, little sideways jump. What's up, man? Just right on up to the tide. It's the best little restaurant. It has a bar, it has a restaurant, everything in it. The Tides. Full trip, full round trip.